Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful skill for 2025. How to scan a paper document into a PDF file. Whether you're a student archiving notes, a professional digitizing contracts, or just tidying up your home office, this quick tutorial will have you scanning like a pro in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need the right tools. In 2025, most smartphones have built-in scanning features, or you can use apps like Adobe Scan or Google Drive for free. If you have a physical scanner, make sure it's connected to your computer. Start by preparing your document. Ensure it's flat, clean, and well lit for the best results. Step 1. If you're using your smartphone, open your scanning app and position the paper on a steady surface. Tap the scan button, and the app will automatically detect the edges of the page. Adjust the borders if needed, then capture the image. Most apps let you scan multiple pages and combine them into one file. Step 2. For a desktop setup, place your paper on the scanner bed and close the lid. Open your scanning software. Windows users can go to the Photos app or use Microsoft Scan, while Mac users have the built-in image capture. Select PDF as the output format, set your resolution to at least 300 dpi for clear quality, and hit scan. Once it's done, save the file to your desired location. Now, a few pro tips to make your scans even better. Always preview your scan before saving to catch any smudges or distortions. If the file size is too large, compress it using tools like Adobe Acrobat or online services to make it easier to share. And remember, in 2025, AI-enhanced apps can auto-correct lighting and straighten images for you. Game changer. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to scan a paper to PDF quickly and efficiently. This method works on both mobile and desktop, making it accessible for everyone. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.